Hi guys, what's going on? I wanted to show you one of my favorite yogurts, Chobani Flips. I've had several flavors that they make. This one is s'mores. So Chobani is basically a low-fat Greek yogurt. They're really good. I was a fan of them before, but I'm an even bigger fan of the flips because they have all these great, awesome flavors that just taste so good. So this one is a sweet vanilla low-fat Greek yogurt with honey graham crackers, milk chocolate, and toasted sugar bits. Literally tastes like a s'mores. So good. So the yogurt's in here, and then all the toppings are in this side, and basically just flip like the name says, just flip all the toppings into the yogurt and mix it up. This is a 5.3 ounce container. You got to keep it refrigerated. It's made with only natural and non-GMO ingredients. 1.5% milk fat, grade A, comes in a recyclable container. I'm gonna have this for breakfast, and I'm sure this will keep me full for a while. It's kind of nice though, even if it's not for yogurt, just as a snack or instead of a dessert, because it's less fattening and less calories than probably most desserts out there. So the nutrition facts: the serving size is 1 container, amount per serving 180 calories, 40 fat calories, 4.5 grams of total fat, saturated fat 2.5 grams, cholesterol 15 milligrams, potassium 170 milligrams, sodium 90 milligrams, 24 grams of carbs, 19 grams of sugar, and 12 grams of protein. I'm happy about the 12 grams of protein. I don't eat meat, so sometimes it's I have to get it from dairy sources and stuff. So I'm happy that there's at least 12 grams of protein in here. Then we have the ingredients: low-fat yogurt, cultured pasteurized non-fat milk, cream, live and active cultures, seawater, evaporated cane sugar, wheat flour, brown sugar, chocolate liquor, cocoa butter, palm oil, milk, vanilla extract, wheat bran, fruit pectin, natural flavors, honey, baking soda, locust bean gum, salt, guar gum, lemon juice concentrate, wheat germ, sunflower lectin, organic soy lectin, vanilla. Contains milk, wheat, and soy for those of you who are allergic to any of that. Chobani LLC, New Berlin, New York. Made with milk from cows not treated with rBST. According to the FDA, no significant difference has been found between milk derived from rBST treated and non-rBST treated cows. Manufactured on a line that also handles tree nuts and peanuts. So I'm just going to open this up so you guys can see. Okay, there we go. Has a really easy to pull off top. Here's all the pieces inside, like the chocolate chips, the little graham cracker pieces, other stuff in there. I love it because it adds a little bit of crunch to the yogurt. Okay, so I just put the toppings in, mixed it around. The yogurt's a little thick, and all the toppings added a nice crunch to it. I'm gonna try a little piece. It's so good. It tastes literally like a s'more. Could definitely eat this for dessert, snack, for breakfast, like I'm doing right now. It's a little sweet for breakfast, but it's delicious, and that's okay. I have it with my cup of coffee. So that's Chobani Flips, s'mores, and of course they have other flavors. They have a peanut butter dream that I buy. I have a key lime pie, so it's a key lime pie flavored yogurt with, I believe it comes with white chocolate and graham cracker pieces, which I'm actually not a huge fan of white chocolate, but it tastes really good with the key lime pie. And then they also have a cocoa almond flavor, which is really good. So I pretty much tried 4 or 5 different Chobani Flips flavors, and they've all been extremely good, very filling. Greek yogurt, they say, is good too because it has a lot of probiotics. So it's Chobani Flips s'mores. Hope you guys try it and really like it. And I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.